I've been in the contracting business for 20, 25 years. I tend to work on difficult hillside homes. For a contractor, a truck is his office, his delivery system. It's what he shows up to his meetings in. I could start out my day running heavy equipment, changing my clothes to go meet a high-end client. A truck on the interior got to be comfortable, got to be big and roomy so it's not closing in on me because I'm in a truck for 6 hours a day. The truck is my mobile office. I'm answering emails, I'm taking phone calls from clients, solving problems from wherever I'm at. First impressions are very important when you're meeting a homeowner. They're trusting me with their home. It's a very personal thing. You have to guarantee success because having something go wrong is just not an option.